I would say the only country I've never been to is Japan. I've been to India, I've been to China, I've been to Russia. Of course, I've been in Africa, many times in the Middle East. I spent a lot of time in the US. Europe it's quite a market for us, especially for Southern Hemisphere citrus.
Este año, en 2019, visité Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, República Dominicana, Brasil, Canadá, Hong Kong, Alemania y Tailandia.
In my case, I don't go to many countries, but I stay a long time. Over the top of my head, I can tell you that I've been in Mexico quite a few times. Of course, all around the US, but also in Spain, in Turkey, in Colombia. I'm going to Morocco before the end of the year. That's it, 5 or 6 countries.